Hi. We've now got to a situation where we've done a scan and we have a full channel list here, and we want to maybe save it onto a USB stick. So you can see here we have a total of 318 channels, and we want to save this off to a USB and then upload a different channel list onto the box in a moment. So I'm just going to demonstrate those two things. First thing I'm going to show you is a remote control. We're going to be using the menu button, and we're going to be using some of the color coded keys here in the bottom. Okay, so what I'll do here is I press the menu button and we come down as far as the tools menu, and we arrow across then and go to USB, upgrade by USB. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here now is we just want to go for the option to dump, which is simply dump all the information that's on this box onto this USB key. Okay, so what we'll do here is I come along and I press OK, and now we've successfully dumped it off. If you actually look at what it here is, it's dump 2011, and then it's into the dates then. 04 is the month, 19 is the day of the month, the 19th of April, and then the time is 11:52. Okay, which is actually correct time here. So then we come along and we do exit again, out, and we exit out again, and so that's it saved. So we'll come back in here now and we'll do an upgrade here where we want to actually take a file off of the USB key here and save it. So we'll come along here and we'll look for a file that we've already saved, which has all of the Xoro 3500 channels in order, and this file will normally be available on the tvtrade.ie website, so you can download the latest version. Okay, and it's very, very handy to have somebody do this for you, because could take an hour or 2 hours of messing around to get it exactly the way you want it, where we can put it pretty well in an order that'll suit people, and it makes things very handy. So what we'll do then is the upgrade mode, we'd leave it at, we have the different ones, but user DB, default DB, radio back, main code, bootloader, all code. But all code and bootloader is the way to go here, because we'll get everything we need. And just press start. Are you sure you want to burn flash? And we'll say OK. So what it's going to do here is it's simply going to go through here, and it'll upload this the channels onto this box here. So the all code and bootloader will be grabbing both all of the software and also all of the channel list onto it. Now you can grab channel list by themselves, but this way here is probably just a safer way of doing it. So even when we're downloading everything like this, the total time to do it is in the region of 20 to 30 seconds, so it's very, very quick. And there we are. So it'll just knock itself off for a second, and when it switches back on, it'll hopefully come back up with a new channel list. So we can remember that we saw there was 318 channels in a fairly chaotic order. And we come along now, you can see movies and men, and we go down to the very top of the list here. See, there's 123 in exactly the order that we wanted to have them in. So that's it, an overview of both how to dump and also how to upload channels off a USB stick to program the Xoro 3500.